That XLA file is a Microsoft Excel add-in. Custom functions, macros, and tools packaged to extend Excel's built-in capabilities beyond what ships out of the box. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install, manage, or troubleshoot these Excel extension files. Don't close the guide if the XLA file doesn't open right away. We have an unconventional, high-success rate method designed for deep format errors. XLA files are Microsoft Excel add-in files containing VBA macro code, custom functions, and toolbar definitions that extend Excel's functionality. They provide reusable tools and calculations that load automatically at Excel startup for persistent availability across all workbooks. Microsoft Excel XLA files use the legacy Excel binary workbook format with hidden workbook properties containing VBA project modules, custom function definitions, and command bar configurations. They are stored in Excel's add-ins directory for automatic loading at application startup. In most cases, XLA files work best with Microsoft Excel created by Microsoft Corporation. Windows needs confirmation from specialized software for safe data access. Windows cannot preview a plugin's inner logic, so the associated host application must manage it. The easiest way to identify the error source is testing. Right-click the XLA file and hit Open With. Use Microsoft Excel if installed. If it's not present, choose another program. We must find the correct software handler. If you still cannot open your XLA file, that is okay. Let's change direction. The failure confirms a hidden issue. Run through these 3 rapid diagnostic checks with me right now. First, installing the add-in. Open Excel and navigate to File, then Options, then Add-ins. Click Go next to Manage Excel, Add-ins. Click Browse and navigate to the XLA file. Check the add-in name in the list and click OK. The add-in will load and be available in all future Excel sessions. Next, using add-in functions. After installation, XLA add-in functions become available as worksheet formulas. Type the custom function name in a cell formula. Add-in toolbar buttons or ribbon commands appear in the appropriate Excel interface location. Refer to the add-in documentation for available functions. Finally, troubleshooting load errors. If the XLA fails to load, check Excel's Trust Center settings under File, then Options, then Trust Center to ensure macros are enabled. Verify the XLA file is not blocked by right-clicking and checking. Properties, then unblock. Reinstall the add-in if errors persist. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.